ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಶಾಣಾ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಜ್ವರದೊಳಗ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜ್ವರ ಯಾವುದು? ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಜ್ವರ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿರೀಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು. ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದಾಗ ಏನೇನಾತಂತ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ series against England. So why it is important means this is the first match starting a fresh test championship series. Okay, the winning team will get 12 major points which will add to their tally for the next 2 years to play final for the second edition of Test Championship, WTC
Test
Championship. Okay, just for 1 minute I'll talk about Sri Lanka tour. Sri Lanka completely dominating India, even in one day series also. If Deepak Chahar ಆಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇನು ಗೆಲ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅವರೇ ಗೆಲ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇನು ಅವರೇ ಗೆದ್ದರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ T20 somehow India managed to win, but second T20 terribly lost. Even third T20 also terribly lost. The only person who made difference is Hasaranga. Yes, Rochan?
Yes.
Hasaranga is made a complete change. They could not able to read Hasaranga.
And one more thing, Hasaranga is the second world ranking in bowling in T20s.
Yes, he is a world ranking number 2 because of his tremendous performance from last 6 months. Now, India players are not that bad. Okay, everybody has played lot of IPL. At least they have played almost 7-8 IPLs. So they are also good batsmen. Then why they fail to read Hasaranga? Okay, that is a thought you think. We'll move on to tomorrow's test match. Okay, Rochan, tell me about tomorrow's test match.
Yes, tomorrow's test match is between the mighty England and our India, and it is going to be held in Trent Bridge, that is in Nottingham, England. And the match starts at 2:30 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, and it is held in the Trent Bridge Stadium in Nottingham. So moving on, we have some bad news from the Indian side. So we have lost our opener Mayank Agarwal due to some concussions.
Concussion, yeah.
Yes.
While playing in the practice nets, Shiraz bowled a bouncer and it hit he was wearing a helmet, but it was a severely hit to his head, and he is suffering from concussion. He is all right, but tomorrow's match he is not playing. And we all know that the Shubman Gill is also out of the series.
As he got injured and
Then,
he came back to India.
Then we have serious thoughts about opening batsman,
Yeah.
and
And most probably they'll take KL Rahul.
Correct.
He'll be
KL
back
Rahul.
after 2 years.
KL Rahul will be mostly 99% opening with Rohit Sharma. Hanu Vihari is also a opener, but he denied that he won't play as a opener. Okay, this is the team management news what we have got. Then the obvious choice is KL Rahul. Though Surya Kumar Yadav and Prithvi Shah are reaching England, but they will be not playing the first test because they have to undergo 14 days or quarantine
Some
rules
COVID
and all
precautions.
COVID precautions and COVID norms they have to follow.
Yes.
Okay.
And one more
England,
thing,
yes.
KL Rahul is playing after 2 years. No, his last test was with West Indies in 2019.
Okay.
No,
But
so-
he is under a tremendous pressure, tremendous form. He in a practice test match against some club, he has scored a century. Okay, he has bagged a century, and he always plays well in England. Okay, the difference between playing in Australia and England is Australia is a bouncy pitch. Okay, it comes nicely to the bat, but England is a very very tricky, very tricky match.
And,
There's a lot of seam happening,
yes.
and we know England bowlers. Oh my God. Okay,
They're
England have
actually,
a, yeah, Jofra Archer is
very
there.
good lineup in bowling.
Jofra Archer is there.
Correct.
Then we have
Jofra Archer, I guess, is not playing. He's still undergoing injury.
no, he's
He's
playing.
fine, I guess.
He might play, and Sam Curran is there.
Sam Curran is a
He's
tremendous job.
Tremendous job, and the best part is Sam Curran is a good all-rounder also.
Yeah.
Okay, the England also struggling in the opening, but their lower order and the middle order is Chris Oakes is there. Chris Oakes is also a beautiful,
And you're
all-rounder.
missing two prominent bowlers, Stuart Broad and
As Stuart
James
Broad.
Anderson.
Stuart Broad also plays very well. So they have a tremendous fast bowling lineup. Same way, Indian is also very good, got a good bowler. It is a very, very interesting to see, but only a problem with India is the middle order.
Yeah.
The middle order, Cheteshwar Pujar and Ajinkya Rahane is not in very good form, though they have,
They
have a
are
good
top order batsmen, right?
top order batsman.
Middle orders we have Anand Vihari options.
Okay, Hanum Vihari, I don't know whether
just
they will.
first we'll give the introduction.
Yeah, first we'll give the introduction. The playing 11, probable playing 11. Rohit Sharma is playing along with KL Rahul. Then one down Cheteshwar Pujar. Then Virat
Our
Kohli.
captain Virat
Kohli.
I guess Ajinkya
Then
Rahane.
Ajinkya Rahane. Then Rishabh Pant. Agar Hanum Vihari, if they are playing, and one spinner, they will not play. Ravindra Jadeja, they will not play because Hanum Vihari, if they are making little batting strong, then Hanum Vihari will play. Ravindra Jadeja will not play. If Ravindra Jadeja plays, then Hanum Vihari will not play. So there is a choice between those two. And after Rishabh Pant, Hanum Vihari
or
or Ravichandra Ashwin. If Hanumar is not there, then Ravindra Jadeja, then three bowlers. Okay, three bowlers is also very crucial. Just Bumrah will play, and Ishant Sharma, I doubt. Shami is played very well. Shami is played very well in WTC final, and we have one more good bowler, good swing bowler, a pace bowler, Shiraj. If these three are played, then Ishant Sharma might not get a chance. If Ishant Sharma get a chance, then we have a problem with either Shami or Jasprit Bumrah. Okay,
Jasprit Bumrah will
yeah,
play.
Jasprit Bumrah will play. Then Ishant Sharma has
I
to
guess
put
one
out.
spinner to be dropped out.
There is one more good all-rounder, batting plus bowling all-rounder, Shardul Thakur.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, Shardul Thakur, if they plan to take him to make a little batting strong, because he has played very well. Okay, he won a test match for India. If they take Shardul Thakur, then Hanum Vihari will also not play, Ravindra Jadeja will also not play, then they have to play with 4 pacers and 1 spinner. Ashwin anyway will play. So this is the probable Indian lineup, and when you talk about the middle order or the top order after Virat Kohli, there is no doubt Virat Kohli is in tremendous form. He will definitely will hit. There will be 2-3 centuries will come definitely for Virat Kohli. That is what sure.
We don't know what happens.
No,
We should not
he
accept-
definitely.
We should
No,
not
he will
expect,
definitely have a century, and in series I am telling, in series at least 2 to 3 centuries he will make. And Rohit Sharma again played good start in WTC final. He knows the England conditions. He is a good experienced batsman. Then we have problem with Pujara and Ajinkya Rahane because they both play very slow. Pujara
that's what is wanted, right, in times.
especially not that slow also. Pujara will slow, very slow. If he make 10 runs by playing 100 balls or 60-70 balls, then he got out. Then what is the use?
That's the
Okay.
main point, but
So last 2 years he's struggling
but
with the
it's
form.
it's his usual form, right?
No, no.
He plays slowly, calmly.
His strike rate around 40-50% is okay. He plays some 50 balls and score 25 runs, or play 100 balls and score 50 runs is okay. but not at 10 or 15 strike rate, which will not going to help. And he's struggling for last 2 years. Cheteshwar Pujara is struggling with the form. Ajinkyaran played well. He has got 1 century recently, but not very strong. So same with England team also, except 2-3 batsmen, they also have a problem. Barrister and Josh Butler and Joe Root.
Yeah.
Okay, these three prominent
And
players.
the openers are also very better than Indians.
Okay, Burns.
Rory Burns,
Rory
Tom
Burns is
Sibley,
there,
we
but
have.
they're not very,
Much experience.
much experience. So both will have their negatives and positives. Let's see. It is an important game. Whoever takes an upper hand will definitely win the match, and it will not go for 5 days. Definitely, unless until it is rain or due to bad weather. If they loses some hours, then it will go for 4th day or 5th day. Otherwise, it will not go to 5th day. And definitely, there is a result. Maybe in 3.5 days, 4 days, the match will get over. So this is what from me and Rochan. This is what the prediction. Whoever wins the toss, Rochan, what
have
they
to
will do?
take bowling
Yes.
because
So
there's
probably-
a dampness in the pitch.
Around in the pitch, and fresh pitch, fresh legs. Everybody is fresh.
New
they-
ball,
normal new ball.
swing.
In England conditions, they normally take a bowling. Good toss to win, and let's see.
Let's
who
hope Virat
will.
Kohli to win
Okay,
the toss.
so predictions, Rojan.
I guess India will win the first test.
Yes, India. We all know Indian big fans. India should win, and Virat Kohli should
No play.
slow, quickly has to score a century. That's what we all
It's,
see.
since 2 years now.
yes.
He's
they've
not got a century,
1 year anyway gone with COVID and all.
But,
So earlier
but
1 year
also it
also
counts,
gone.
right?
Sure. Then that's it. No, I
That's it
don't want to
from
take
us.
much time on this, and please support us.
Please
like this
share,
video,
and
share
share the video and subscribe to our channel, Cricket Jwara.
So come on, guys. You have to be little Josh, Rochan. It is our channel, Cricket
Jwara. Thank you.